This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility with Umobile. Call or use the app to see your exact hotspot allowance and any speed throttling. Once done, make sure you have your account number and PIN ready, because agents will ask. Also note your device model and OS version so you can confirm tethering compatibility. This step prevents surprises and shows you the options you can legally choose. It's efficient to do this first, because all next steps depend on plan details and device support. Next, select an official upgrade or add-on that provides unlimited hotspot or higher hotspot allowance. Review the cost and any fair use policies, because carriers often apply limits after a threshold. You should compare plan terms versus price and decide whether a true unlimited add-on is available for your account. Once you choose, purchase through the app or ask an agent to activate immediately so your device can connect. Keep receipts and confirmation numbers. They will help if activation stalls or billing. Finally, activate tethering on your device and test by connecting a laptop or tablet. Check speeds and any advertised unlimited notes. If you don't get service, restart the phone, toggle airplane mode, and reinstall the carrier profile or APN settings. If that still fails, call Umobile with your confirmation number and ask Tier 2 support to verify provisioning. A key troubleshooting tip: confirm there isn't a billing hold, because unpaid charges often block add-on activations and tethering features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.